Hi, I'm Michael Reddy. I want to sing you a new song. It's called With the Seagulls. It's very much a poem set to music. As a seagull I went flying through blue sky, dancing in the cloudy wind streams very high. I could tilt a wing and turn and roll and dive. In the magic of freefall I was alive. Leveled out along the shore, where breakers curled and roared, I'd streak through salty spray, a child of Mother Earth in flight across the bay. Where I scanned the rolling waves with eager eyes for the flash of minnows swimming on the rise. What I ate to live the sea supplied to me, and I gave her feathers back when I went free. I could pump my wings and climb to soar through vaults of time. Aloft I'd stay to play the Mother Earth in sunlit flight above the bay. As the sun descends, the thunderheads grow dark. Storm winds come in gusts and distant lightning barks. And I lose control and flip and roll and dive. From the turbulent free fall, escape alive. Crouched low with head to wind, behind the sand dunes pinned. Like all who live on earth, I dance forever with her, dying and rebirth. But now gales of toxic change blow everywhere, and you humans don't seem wise enough to care. We eat bottle caps and plastic from the waves, and your poisons lead us swiftly to our graves. Brought low with head to wind, like us you will be pinned. All we who live on earth dance ever with her, endless dying and rebirth. Like us, you're part of earth and will experience her dying and